First of all, I want to say that um, you you will see this is the Chrome, and here I will search my GitHub account, which is first GitHub URL /rnc cs student, and here I want to show um, expense tracker. uh, this project, because this project through we can mm, we can see how we monetize, or how we expense, how much money in daily basis. That's all thing. In expense tracker you will see these are the file, and these are the redmi.md, where I use front end, back end, and that's you will see when you visit this URL through my GitHub pages. And you will see is the database, and which runs is the gun unicorn app, which to app through. And this is the Flask application, which you see. And in static there have css file, this style.css, and this use for front end style. You will see this body type font family use Arial sans script, and in templates I use add expense.html, which through you can add which you want. And index.html, this this is the front end view page, and this report through you can add, and here have back to home button, and .gitignore through you can hide your password. And this profile need when you upload this, and this app.py is main file, and db.config file. So this is the db host, db user, db password, db name, which is required, and that's a requirements.txt file. So it's so error, but when you click this, that is because in that project I have two uploaded in same, and one we already delete, but so that's reason this message will show. But this is the not, but the original is I have done through other environment. And here we have MySQL and expense tracker, and which you will through railway.com. Here you have to deploy this, and you want to create MySQL table, which through I have already added one database, one data in the databases, that will show biscuit price, that is 10. And this is the URL which you can see in settings. So settings one tab is networking, public networking. Here you will see that, and this is the link. And this delete service through you can delete, and in variables you must have to upload db host, db user, db password. Here password is safe. And if I taking MySQL table, here jobs is not required. Jobs is use my another project. Here only required expenses, and that's the home page. Here you will see all expenses and downloaded, etc. and that MySQL through you will see that thing. And I open this is sql.sh. This sql.sh you have to must login, and here have already expenses data, and which I use ID, data, category, amount, and rate. So that's the thing. and when you see that and add experiences page uh, like that type of which you have date, category, amount, and in category table, suppose I write mobile, and amount suppose 10,000, and I add this, then it will automatically add, and this through you can add any note. Suppose I have note like this, or this all amounts are rupees, and after add it will takes little bit of time, and you want to see these are already updated, and which date you will see 10,000. And also when you refresh this railway page, you will see that the railway.com updated that. So that's are the thing which you will see: biscuits, mobile, etc. and 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 this through you can done your Flask project. And if I want to come settings page, then here you will see that link, and suppose and that's URL, the github.com/rnccs tracker, that links is the GitHub link, and here through you can also find that link. But it's a trial version only for 30 days, because after this money record, so it only for 30 days. So so that's all.